aspect of my good health. I underwent angioplasty at the age of 83. I was under depression and was not able to get out of the bed. Started yoga at the age of 84. Don't miss pranayam and Surya Namaskar daily. Weekly once I practice 108 Surya Namaskars. Today I am going to share 5 best asanas which I practiced.
First asana, the Parvat asana. Stand close to the wall, legs close to each other, hands beside your legs. Inhaling, gently raise your arms up, interlocking your fingers, palm facing upward. Come on your toes as you stretch your arms up completely with normal breathing. After 3 or 4 normal breaths, take one deep breath and slowly release your arms and repeat 3 times. The second asana is Utkatasana, which is one of my favorite because it has helped me to strengthen my legs, improve the flexibility in my knees. Go close to the door, hold the knob of the door, feet apart. Inhale while exhaling, go down, try to stretch completely. Again inhale, come up and repeat this 5 times. And relax. The next asana is Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. This asana has helped me in improving the speed while walking. Always stand with the back rest against the wall or some prop. Now raise your leg which is beside the prop and place it. Make sure both the legs are straight. Try to hold and reach the toe, if not hold the prop. Let's try with the other leg now. Inhaling, raise your leg up, the other leg, and place it on the chair just to show that chair can also be used as a prop. Try to stretch. After 5 to 6 deep breaths, release your legs and relax. The next asana is Janu Sanchalana. This asana has helped me to relax my hips, especially the low back. Lie down on your back, legs close to each other, arms in line with the shoulders. Gently bend both your legs and bring it as close to the chest as possible. Take one deep breath. While breathing out, gently drop both the knees to the left side and look opposite side. Make sure both the shoulders are resting on the floor and normal breathing. Once you have completed it, take one deep breath and repeat the same with the other side. Use the opposite hand to push the knees down. Practice normal breathing and focus on your breath. And relax. Let's start with last asana, Sahaja Sarvangasana, which is one of my favorite, and I'm sure you all are going to like it because it rests my heart and relaxes my legs completely. Sit down on the mat, very close to the wall. Straighten your legs and adjust your position in such a way when you lie down, your hips are closer to the wall and legs are perpendicular to the floor. Now try to go gently closer and more closer to the wall. Remain in that position and try to relax as you observe your breath. Focus on 20 to 40 breaths and while exhaling, try to hum.